Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video we will cover a string data type in JavaScript. String is text inside quotation marks. In console I will write some string hello world and I will write type of operator and you can see the data type is string. You can also store string in variable, so I will declare one variable text and I will assign string hello world and I will print it here text. This is hello world. In this case I put string inside double quotation marks, but string can also be in single quotation marks, so I will declare another variable text2 and now I will use single quotation marks hello John and I will also print it in console text2. If I use single quotation marks inside this string, they will be printed because text is inside double quotation marks. And I can also use double quotation marks inside single quotation marks, and you can see they are printed. But I cannot use single quotation marks inside single quotation marks. Here you can see I have error. But there's still way you can use them, and it is done with backslash escape character. So I need to use backslash, and now I can print single quotation marks inside single quotation marks. In string you can also add horizontal tab with backslash t and new line with backslash n. You can see this text is in new line. But if I add here escape character, now backslash n is printed. Besides single and double quotation marks, you can put string inside backticks, and it is called string template. So I will declare another variable text3 and I will use backticks. Hello Tom. I will also print text3 variable. In string template I can print single and double quotation marks without need for escape character. Here you can see I print them. In string template I can also have multi-line string, something else, but in regular string I can't. Here you can see I have error. I can only do that in this way, plus, and in new line I'll add new string. Now it is hello world everyone. With string templates you can also do string interpolation. It means that I can print variable inside string. So I will declare here one variable num with some value, and here I can print it. So I need to use $sign and I need to put name of that variable inside curly brackets. And here you can see I printed this variable, value of this variable. It is 48. Now I will move on string methods. Here I have one string variable hello world. Everyone world is amazing. I can print here length of this string. And here you can see that this string has 39 characters. To access specific character in string, I need to use square brackets and I need to put index of certain characters. So I will put 4 and you can see it is O, this is this character. This is because first character has index 0 and last, in this case, it is 38. So if I write 38, it is full stop, last character. So it is text length minus 1. You can see again full stop. If I use text length, it is undefined. Next method is slice. With that method, you can extract part of string. First value is starting index and second is ending index. So I'll pass here 2 and 5. And you can see here LLO, 2 is starting index and it is included, but ending index in this case it is space and it is not included. You can turn text into uppercase text. For that you need to use to uppercase method to uppercase. And because it is method, I need brackets. And here you can see uppercase text. There's also to lowercase, which will turn string into all lowercase letters. You can also replace part of string, and it is done with replace method. Replace. Here I will replace world with sky. And here you can see that only first world is replaced with sky, not the second one. To replace all worlds, you need to use replace all method. Now you can see all words are replaced. In this case, there are only two. If I add more world, they are also replaced. Next method that I'm going to use is split. With split method, you can split string. You can choose on what will string be splitted, and you need to put here in brackets. So if I choose space, string is splitted on space, and array is created. So in this case, when separator is space, string is splitted into array of 8 characters. You can also split each character in string, and it is done with separator empty string. And now you can see this array has 51 items. And let's see, is it length of text variable? So text length, it is 51 items, 51 length of text variable. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.